guys, it's me Marty and welcome to my channel. If you are not part of the Glam fam yet, please consider subscribing. Give this video a little like if you like what you see. I am Marty and here on Glam with Marty, we talk about all of the things. I share my tips and tricks to keeping my life as glam as possible. If you haven't already subscribed, thank you guys so much. Thanks for joining me again here on my channel and I really appreciate it. And today we have something very special, something you guys always seem to like. First of all, we are downstairs in my living room, which I came downstairs because I really wanted to show y'all the chandelier, but you still can't see it because this chair is too low for it. So instead you're gonna have to settle with the beautiful throw that I got for Christmas. So this was a Christmas gift and I love it very much. If you notice, it does match the one on my bed. The one on my bed is the regular brown print. This is the pink and brown, and then on the other side it has blue and white. I'm not sure exactly why he got that one, but it was a Christmas present, so keep it, I shall do. Today, real quick, I want to show y'all something else that's not part of the haul. This is a cute tumbler that my sister actually got me as like a Valentine's Day this year, and I just thought it was really cute. It was sitting there on the dining room table, so I just wanted to share. So anyway, so today we have a haul which you guys seem to really enjoy. Every time I post a haul, hauls are always like the highest rated videos on my channel. You guys seem to really enjoy it. So today I actually want to share with you a haul from Ross and ULTA. Actually, funny enough, the first haul I ever shot on my channel over the summer was actually from Ross and ULTA because the shopping center near my house has both of these, and we actually went to the same shopping center this weekend to pick up some stuff to go to ULTA. Actually, it was my mom's birthday and she had to redeem her birthday gift, and it was like literally the last day to do it, so we went over. Of course, masked up, social distancing, all that good stuff. So anyway, if you want to know what I got at Ross and ULTA and how much I saved on it, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. To start off with, I want to go through ULTA because ULTA is definitely the smaller of the two trips because I only actually got two things from ULTA. Even 4-leg fur babies are still crazy little kids. Okay, so anyway, ULTA. Again, we went there because it was my mom's birthday, so she wanted to redeem her gift, but then she didn't know what to do with it, so she gave it to me, so that's going to be included in here too. But the first thing I want to show you guys is probably the best deal I got all day. It is this Kula Resilience Medium/Deep Organic BB and Skin Tint. This is it. This is the bottle. Oh, I kind of looked at it. My mom and I both got one. This was all they had left on the clearance section. But while I'm opening this, since it's taking me forever to pull the tape off, there we go. I should let you guys know that this product, you comfortable, my love? This BB cream retails for $52 and it was on sale for $5.20. Literally 90% off discount. I don't know why. I don't know if it was just on sale because I know darker shades sometimes will go on sale in the winter. I really don't know. I mean, it's still on their website. It was still on their end cap of Kula. So let me show you guys the product. So this is it. This is the BB cream. And like for me, I love a BB cream because if I'm not feeling well or like for work, I'm always late for everything. BB creams are really good because they're just tinted moisturizers. So like I love this. This is really nice. So this one, and then my mom for her birthday, which this was a really good birthday gift. It's not in here. Where's the... I know my love bug. But mommy's trying to find this skin thing. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you. Y'all gonna find out what this thing is called because I don't know where I put it. I just had that stupid little thing today. I know, baby. I bet it's somewhere in this chair. That's that. Now our next store, Ross. So Ross, I got two separate types of things. I got a lot of hair stuff and I got some clothes. The first thing that I got is this beautiful hoodie. Look how pretty it is, y'all. So those that don't know, I'm like obsessed with anything that has roses on it on clothing. And this, when I walked in, excuse me, right when I walked into the store, I saw this hanging there and I was just so in love with it. So it is a white hoodie with rose detailing on it and it was $16.99 from Ross. They have the comparative value being $22.50, but I did look online The brand is Reflex. It's a Reflex Ultra Soft, and it says this Ultra Soft fabric gives your skin a layer of warmth without layering on the bulk. So it was Reflex brand. It says life is out there, and then on the back it says it's style number JU553. So I could not find a price point on it because when I went to their website, they just have like a store website in LA, and they don't actually have like a list of prices and like products and stuff. All they actually had on there was contact information and like a gallery of people wearing their clothes. So I have no idea how much it costs, but I did a little bit of investigating online, and I saw on Amazon that they price around 25 to 30 bucks, so around $30, and I got it for $16.99. Honestly though, I love this hoodie so much. Like, this is exactly my vibe with the roses on the sleeves and the little decal right here. It's white, it's lightweight, it has a big pocket right here for me to put my phone and my keys, and I really, really love this hoodie. Actually, funny story, my mom and I picked out a picture that she found, a really good deal on a huge painting, and we couldn't fit it in her car, so in her truck, so in her Jeep. So we had to use my car, which is a convertible. We had to call my dad, who drove my convertible to the store so that we could put it in there, because we could put the top down and fit it in there. And when we first walked into the store and I saw this, I decided I wasn't going to get it because I just have so many hoodies, especially with roses on it. So I left it in there, and then while we were in the parking lot waiting for my dad to get there, I was like, I cannot leave that hoodie. So I ran back in. The girl still had it at the cash register, and I got it. So $16.99 for this beautiful rose hoodie, and the roses are like sewn on, so they're not like a plastic, like a decal, so they're not gonna like crack or peel off. That's the first thing. The second thing is a really good deal, and my mother actually found it for me. You want to leave? You can leave if you want to leave, my love bug. My sweetie pie. Let me move this out your way. Okay, you can go ahead, baby. You want to stay with Mom? Okay, so the second thing I got from Ross on the clothing side, my mother actually spotted this in the activewear because she knows that I'm a huge fan of this designer. These are a pair of leisure Karl Lagerfeld. I live my life in sweats and bicycle shorts. Like, that's everything. Everything, that's what I wear. So when she saw these, I'm a fool for black and white, and she liked that the brand name was down across the side. So cute. So it has zippers. It's got so many little details. It's got zippers for the pockets. And then if you look really close, let me see if you guys can see it. On the little bow that's tying it, on the little drawstring, it has Karl Lagerfeld Paris with this like kind of hexagon detail on it. Just really, really nice. So these are Karl Lagerfeld pants. Let me read you what it says on here. It says that they are, it just gives the style number, and then that they're black. Yeah, I'm aware. And that they retail for $99.50. That's expensive for leisure pants. Like, are people paying them? Yeah, they are. Of course they are. So that's how much these are. And at Ross, they were, where's the tag? I bet they came off with the security sensor. They were $22.99, but I was trying to find the tag to show you guys, and I don't see it on here. Wait, where's the receipt? Is somewhere in here, because I don't throw receipts away. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh my God, back to Ulta. This is the little thing. Okay, so this is the Dermalogica Louis. What, baby? What? Come bring it to Mom. Oh my God, if y'all will excuse me, I have to throw a mouse right now. It cannot wait, apparently. Ugh. Go ahead. Here all day, and that child has not played with a single toy. Now he has to play with a toy. Come on, baby. So the birthday gift that my mom got is this Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant Brightening Powder Exfoliant, and it was a 0.14 ounce sample, and again, it was free because it was the birthday gift redemption. So that's a little backtrack from Ulta. I just found it on the floor. Thank you, Lulu. I guess you kind of sort of helped me. This is actually the second receipt from the... Oh. from the other thing. So this one, okay, this should tell me. Yeah, okay, so this, they call it a black and white jogger, and it was $22.99, but it retails for $99.50. So that's it for the clothes from Ross. These, and I wanted to shoot this tonight because I want to wear these joggers tomorrow. They are so cute. So that's this and the sweater. What you got? Look us over there, baby. Okay, so that's the clothes. So much crap in here. Okay. Whew. All right, so last but not least, I also came across, every time I go to Ross, I go check out the health and beauty aid side. So like the accessories where they have like the shoes and they have the makeup and the face wash and all of that stuff. So there's been a couple things that I got from Ross. Every time I go in there, I usually find something cute. So here are the two things that we got. For my mother, I saw this, and she always wears her hair natural. Her hair's a lot finer than mine, so she'll just wash it and let it air dry. So I found this. We got two things from IGK. IGK, it says NYC, Miami, and Los Angeles. So I'm not familiar with this brand, but I did see them at ULTA before. I haven't used them until today, but we saw these two nice styling products. So it was one for her, one for me. I saw this for her because, like I said, she naturally dries her hair a lot. So I saw this and I thought it would be good for her, and I love their packaging. Look how pretty their packaging is. It has like these photographs and they have these really, really cute names. So this one is the Rich Kid Coconut Air Dry Styler. This is what she got. And at Ross, it cost $3.49. I looked it up online, you guys, and this is still available on IGK's website, actually. And they retail for $29. So literally, she got it for $3.49, and it retails for $29. That is a big difference. She hasn't used it yet, but it smells so good. And then I did try this out yesterday when I washed my hair. Low Key, the Low Key Cleansing Walnut Scalp Scrub. This was mine. Y'all know I love a body scrub, face scrub, hair scrub, anything scrub. If I can scrub it, I will scrub it. So this is no longer available on IGK's website, but I did find it on Walgreens' website for $36, which I think is insane. And I got it at Ross for $4.99. Both of these things were marked down at Ross. So it was already $9.99 at Ross price, and then I got it on clearance again for $4.99. So I did use it. I really like it. It smells super duper fresh. It definitely cleansed my scalp really well, and I am in love with this. So that was the last thing. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight for this haul. I had fun. I always do when it's a haul. Like, you guys seem to really like hauls. So if you want to see how I style these things, or like what this looks like when I use it, when I try it out, I'll probably include it in a first impression, but I'm not quite sure yet because it's just it's a BB cream, so I don't usually do that in my regular, like if I wear makeup, I don't usually do it with a BB cream. But if you want to see how I style any of these products, as well as deals of the day, so that you can do your own haul with really, really good deals, you can follow my Instagram, which is going to be right here. If you want to see like my non-beauty life, including like lately I've been talking a whole lot of politics, movies. I watched One Night in Miami. If y'all have not seen that movie, it is so freaking amazing. So all of that, sports, movies, music, politics, that's all going to be on my Twitter page, which is right here. Thank you guys again so much for joining me today for this Ross and ULTA haul. If you have not yet, please like the video and please subscribe if you like what you see, because there's a lot more stuff coming. I just posted a couple of first impressions / full reviews, and I have 2 more coming up that I'm scheduled. I'm going to shoot one tomorrow. And if you want to see when that happens, please consider subscribing and please like this video if you like what you see here. Other than that, thank you again so much for joining me. And I'll see you guys next time you want to get glam, if you come over here and get glam with Marty. See y'all next time. Bye.